Amazon is hiring for the role of Associate Retail Process CMT. If you are a graduate looking for an opportunity to start or build your career with Amazon, this is a role you can check. In this video, let's quickly understand what this role is about, what responsibilities you will have, who can apply, and what skills Amazon is looking for. As an Associate Retail Process CMT, you will be responsible for monitoring and ensuring the accuracy of the pricing analytics and operations team. The role mainly involves working on audits and process improvement activities. You may be responsible for auditing the work carried out by operations teams and checking system-generated outputs to ensure accuracy and quality. Apart from auditing, you will also be involved in identifying areas where processes or systems can be improved. You may be expected to suggest improvements and support the implementation of process or system changes. Another important part of this role is identifying emerging trends in process performance. This means you will need to monitor how processes are performing and identify patterns or areas that may require attention. Now let's talk about the key responsibilities. One of the main responsibilities will be to audit, track, and maintain the quality metrics of the processes assigned to you. You will need to monitor the accuracy and quality of these processes and ensure that the required standards are maintained. You will also interact with different teams, including business teams, automation teams, and technology teams. The purpose of working with these teams is to help identify opportunities for operational improvements and system improvements. You will also be responsible for monitoring process performance, identifying gaps or issues, and suggesting improvements that can help improve efficiency and accuracy. So overall, this role involves a combination of auditing, quality monitoring, process analysis, and continuous improvement. Now let's look at the basic qualifications required for this role. The first requirement is a bachelor's degree. Candidates should also be able to speak, write, and read English fluently, as communication will be an important part of the role. Another requirement is experience with Microsoft Office products and applications. Since this role involves working with processes, quality metrics, audits, and operational data, candidates should be comfortable working with information and paying close attention to details. Now, coming to the preferred qualification, Amazon is looking for candidates who have knowledge of Microsoft Excel at an advanced level. This can be an important skill for this role because you may be working with operational data, quality metrics, audits, reports, and process performance information. Having strong Excel skills can help you analyze data more efficiently and work with large data sets. Apart from Excel, having good analytical thinking, attention to detail, and an interest in process improvement can also be useful for this type of role. So if you are comfortable working with Excel and enjoy analyzing data, identifying problems, and finding ways to improve processes, this role could be worth checking. To summarize, this Amazon Associate Retail Process CMT role is mainly focused on auditing, quality monitoring, process performance, and continuous improvement. The role can be relevant for graduates who are interested in operations, analytics, quality, and process improvement. The basic qualifications include a bachelor's degree, fluency in English, and experience with Microsoft Office products and applications. Knowledge of Excel at an advanced level is listed as a preferred qualification. If you are interested in this opportunity, make sure you check the official Amazon jobs posting for the latest information regarding eligibility, location, application deadline, and the complete application process. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest jobs and career opportunities. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who may be looking for job opportunities. Thank you for watching, and all the best with your application.